So yes, I hope you love watching this particular. क्या हो गया है अंजना? Hey my loves, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So today I will be. Hey my loves, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So today I will be showing you this look using products. क्या हो गया? Hey my loves, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So I created this look. Where do I get lost? Hey my loves, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So today I created this look using products by Colourpop Cosmetic. If you're following me from the longest time, you know I'm a big sucker for this brand. I've tried so much from this brand over the years. So I thought let me just sit down today and do a one brand tutorial where I just pull out some of my Colourpop stuff and put on some makeup and show you how wonderful these products perform. Yes, I will be leaving down everything in my description if you want to grab any for yourself. I do not buy any of my Colourpop stuff from the site directly because I stay in India. So I buy everything from two Instagram pages which I will be leaving down in my description. So if you want to grab yours, you can directly buy from these Instagram pages. Other than that, I really enjoy using all the products by Colourpop. I hope you love watching this interesting one brand tutorial. And before you jump onto the application part, consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @PranziGeek. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to prep my face using the Pretty Fresh primer. It's a hyaluronic based primer. The best part about this primer that it's super sticky, it's dewy, but it's not overly dewy and oily. So whenever you're putting a full coverage matte foundation, a heavy foundation, it balances out with the foundation and it really keeps your skin hydrated during the day. Moving on to concealer, the No Filter Concealer by Colourpop is one of our different products, and I like this concealer in general also because the first major point is that it blends easily. It really doesn't crease underneath my eye if placed well. You have to go in with very little product to achieve that nice flawless concealing underneath your eye. If you put too much of the product, you may end up creasing, so a little goes a long way. It's a very easy, comfortable, lightweight concealer if you happen to put right amount of product. Moving on to eyes. Now if you're following Colourpop, you know Colourpop has n number of palettes, so it was very difficult for me to pick one. So I randomly picked up this Lovebird palette. It's a very soft, warm palette wherein you will achieve a very nice summery spring look. It's a well-made palette. You can even create your smoky look if you're eyeing one. The pigmentation to Colourpop palettes are 100 on 100. I really don't have to talk about their pigmentation. If you talk about the mattes, they are supremely pigmented and they are easy to blend. The shimmers are very gentle. You really need a little bit of product and you are good to go. The pressed pigments, they don't need any kind of glue. You just straight away pick up the product with your fingers and just place it on your eyes and you are done. All in all, the eyeshadow palettes by Colourpop are 10 on 10, fully approved. Grab any, you will never be disappointed. Moving on to another product by Colourpop, the gel eyeliners. Now these are multi-purpose. You can use them as a kajal, you can use them as an eyeliner, you can use them as your lower lash eyeliner. So you can actually do a lot with them. And again, they are very smooth, very pigmented, waterproof. They don't budge, they don't smudge. So to create more depth, I went in with a more of a deeper shade. Let's finish off the eyes with mascara. Today I didn't go in with the eyeliner because this look didn't need an eyeliner, and personally I don't have their felt tip eyeliner. I will be grabbing it soon, but I went in with this Colourpop BFF mascara in the shade black. I have 3-4 more shades, but for this look black was the apt shade. But if you're more of a funky person, then you can actually pair this look with the blue mascara. It will look absolutely stunning. Let's jump onto the face. I did my brows off camera because I don't have a brow product by Colourpop. So I went ahead with this palette which has a bronzer and a highlighter. Now again, the Face products by Colourpop are up notch. You have to get the right shade for yourself, and they have wide variety of shade. They cater every other skin tone, be it be light, fair, medium, deep, dark. They have shades for everyone. So bronzers by Colourpop in general are really good, and I have 2-3 of them and I enjoy all of them. So if you're looking for a good nice bronzer, you can definitely try Colourpop bronzer. They are super blendable, they're easy to work with, and they really don't give you any kind of patchiness or harsh lines. Let's jump on to some cheek. So I'm using this peach blush on my cheeks just because to complement my eye look. I wanted to go in with a pink blush, but then I thought no, peach will complement rather the eye look and they both will stand out. Again, you can see the pigmentation is there and you need very little product. Highlighters by Colourpop. Now personally speaking, if you really want to get a highlighter by Colourpop, go for Super Shock. Pressed highlighters by Colourpop are very subtle. You really don't get that intense highlighter by them. I have been using them over 3 years and I feel they are not the best, but they are not the worst. If you're a person who's looking for a highlighter which works just like this, then go ahead and buy the pressed highlighters. I enjoy both, but I really want to tell you the facts that Super Shock highlighters are the most intense highlighters and they give you the wet look. So yes, but today I went ahead with the pressed highlighter because I felt for this look the pressed highlighter would have done the good job. For the inner corners, I went ahead with this shade Churro into my inner corners, and you can see the intenseness to this highlighter is there. You can just see it beaming compared to my pressed highlighter placed on my face. So yes, now you know what I was talking about. So grab both, you will enjoy both definitely if you're a person who loves highlighter. To finish up the look, I went ahead with a lip liner. I have only one lip liner by Colourpop, and I'm not a big fan of the Colourpop lip liners just because I feel that they do dry out my other lipsticks if I pair this lip liner with them. But it really complements with the Colourpop lipsticks. I don't feel that issue. So yes, I was confused with a lot of lipsticks by Colourpop, but I went ahead with my Luxe lipstick. This is in the shade 27. Again, a lovely lipstick. If you're eyeing one, get this shade. To finish off the lips, I went ahead with the Colourpop Glossy Liquid Lip. Again, one of the best glosses. Try their glosses, and I'm telling you, stop using every other gloss if you are a gloss girl. And to fix everything, I went ahead with my lower lash eyeshadow. This is something which I do at the end because I feel that if I do it at the start, my eyes don't look the way they're supposed to. So I always like to do this step at the end to finish off the eye look. So I went ahead with the deeper mauvey purpley shade to give more depth to my eyes. And the last bit is the setting. So I have this setting spray and I just take it on my beauty sponge and spray it because the spray in it is pretty harsh. So if I happen to sprinkle directly, it will be all watery. So this is the best way I go in with. And this is how the makeup turned out using all the interesting products by Colourpop. I absolutely love using Colourpop Cosmetic as a brand, and I love this look. It's pretty simple, easy to create, and you will definitely enjoy creating looks using products by Colourpop because they are very easy to use, super blendable, well pigmented and well made. They are high quality products for affordable price. I will be leaving down everything in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself. I will be back here with some more one brand tutorial. Till then, you take care and see you soon.